Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi POCO C3. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it, click I accept and tap Confirm. Then click Continue and tap Allow. You want to go with Send on an Android and Receive on POCO. Tap on all of these dots to send all of your files and tap Send. But it will take a lot of time, so I will just click on the song, tap Send and click Got it. Over here, all you need to do is scan QR code or input password. I will tap on the scanning icon, choose Allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out, go into, for example, File Manager, click Music, and as you can see, my file is there. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!